How to delete browser history on iPhone. To delete browser history on your iPhone, you first need to open Chrome on your phone. You'll see a primary interface like this on your screen. From here, you need to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, a menu will appear. From here, you need to tap on History. Once you're in, you will see all your recent browsing history. Then, you need to tap on the Delete Browsing Data button in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, adjust the time range. Select a time frame from this option. Then, tap on the Delete Data button at the bottom of your screen. Once you're finished, tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen. There you go, you have successfully deleted browser history on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.